PC with Combustion Monkey here, and JeepJTR.com. Remember, all of my videos on this 2020 Jeep Gladiator Rubicon Launch Edition will be on JeepJTR.com. Wanted to do a quick video here because my daughter is driving me nuts. She's just beating the hell out of that seat. I tell her a billion times, and no matter what I say, she does not care. Just wants to beat the hell out of the seat. I don't know what that seat ever did, but it seriously is her focus when she's in here. So that is one thing we're going to do. The other is this. I went ahead and installed this today because every time I take this car seat out to maybe swap it to vehicles, if in-laws were in town or whatnot, I would have giant dents in the leather, and it was only in there for like 2 weeks. So it kind of freaked me out. Went ahead and bought this. It's just a nice thick, pad with a little bit of a faux leather feel on top, kind of a vinyl. It goes all the way up, so it will protect it. That way she can kick down here if she wants to. There's even a flap where it can hold stuff if you feel like putting stuff in there. Just an all-around, seemed like a good seat cover. The maker is actually, that's the maker. So I'm going to put links to both of these products down in the description. Let me go ahead and install that seat protector and we'll see how we do. Alright, so after cleaning up the back of the seat and spending about 1.5 minutes installing this thing, looks like it'll do the trick. Kind of a weird look, not crazy about that. Also, the Jeep seat's a little bit stranger than others because it doesn't really have a standard joint. So basically it just sits there like that, which I'm not really, I think that's kind of dumb. So what I did was, as you saw, I kind of just tucked it away in here to keep it out of the way. I don't know if that's going to be a good solution or if it's going to continue to just pop out over time. So I'd say that's one downfall, but overall it's going to protect the seat, and for now that's the best option that I have. So again, link for this guy here and this one, which I definitely recommend, are going to be in the description. Let me know if you have any questions. Hopefully you enjoyed.